Welcome again to our course on biodesign, strategies for innovation and design for bioengineering. Today we're going to take a brief look to quality and process management systems. So let's start. For today, I want you to appreciate the critical role that quality systems have in the biodesign ecosystem, and also to recognize the key components of quality systems and their strategic importance to managing a business in the medtech industry, especially in the US and other countries. So if we think about quality, basically what quality means is that you can consistently and repeatedly provide something that has quality, that is of value of others, and that it will meet whatever standards you already submitted to the FDA or regulatory agencies when you got your approval for your device. In this sense, quality management systems worldwide are divided in basically two systems. The FDA Quality System Regulation, QSR, in one side, and the ISO 13485 on the other side. ISO 13485 is well aligned to ISO 9001, and it's well understood everywhere in the world. FDA asks for its own quality management system, and thus it has its own. Both quality systems are fairly well aligned, though they have some interesting differences that we are not going to explore in this presentation, but it's of utmost important that you recognize that if you want to have a regulatory pathway and commercialization pathway that looks to have FDA approval and also approval abroad, you should follow both systems in an heterogeneous, harmonized system that considers both. If we think about quality management systems in a broader sense, in medical devices, you can look at that as a matrix of controls. In one side of the matrix, you have controls that include design and research and development, other controls that care about production processes and consistencies, and other controls that care about corrective and preventive actions called CAPAs in the medical device and quality argot. On the other side of this QMS matrix, we have other types of controls such as management and directive and strategic controls, controls on facilities and equipment, which assure that you are going to be consistently being able to produce a product in a certain facility. Materials controls will include how to buy and to choose suppliers and materials for your products, and of course controls on records, documents, and changes, because as you may think, any change on a medical device can increase or change the risk profile of any device, and that's something that the FDA and other regulatory agencies care a lot when thinking on quality of medical devices. So how do you go by and actually perform or create a quality system for your company, or in this case for the innovation that you're trying to perform? First, you have to identify your quality needs, right? Sometimes if you think that you're not going to be the one actually manufacturing the product, you may try to think that your quality needs can only be defined in terms of your design and development of the product. But if you intend to actually go from concept to production and sales, then you may think on a broader, more extensive quality system. Once you have those needs already laid out, you can decide on exactly the QMS that you want to follow. Either the FDA, the ISO 13485, or somewhere mixed. As a third step, very, very important, please hire a quality professional. This is something that is of a lot of importance in your company, and probably is going to make it easier and cheaper for you to actually create a good quality system that actually meets the requirements of the regulatory agencies that you intend to approach. Also, you need to engage subsequently executives and management positions in your company to actually define the quality policies. It's absolutely important that everybody in your company is well aligned with how your quality system is going to look like. If the directive people in your company are not satisfied with how this quality system actually looks like and costs and is managed, then you should try to make a change until it is all aligned. After that, Try to quick and dirty, build a shell of the quality system that you intend to have, and develop the elements as a product and as your company progresses. You have to assign functional champions or people that will monitor and maintain this quality system, and as such all the controls that we have seen in this matrix. And finally, just audit your system and improve it as much as possible. Quality systems are intended to be improved, to be changed, but also to be traceable and to be well enough developed to actually assure that whatever safety and efficacy you show to the FDA or regulatory agencies that give you your regulatory approval or clearance is actually well met after you commercialize and produce your product in scale. And with this, we have concluded our quality management system presentation. Please refer yourself to our book on biodesign for more information on this matter. My name is Luis Soengsen, and thank you for watching.